Amigos de Medio Tiempo, quinto día de actividad en el Abierto Los Cabos 2017 y los finalistas están listos para llevarse el trofeo. Thanasi Kokkinakis le ganó a uno de los favoritos, Tomas Berdych, y estas fueron las reacciones.
It's a young kid that is playing well, and you know he's hungry. You know he's been injured for a long time, so you can see that he has nothing to lose. He just goes for it, without any pressure, and then it helps sometimes. But yeah, it was a good match from his side.
Favorite? Oh, I wouldn't think so. My ranking's like 6,000, so I don't think I'm favorite. But I've been playing some decent tennis this week, so again, as I said, both guys have played a lot more tennis than I have. Sam's been playing great this year, coming off semi-finals at Wimbledon, so don't know if I'm a favorite, but.
El rival de Kokkinakis será el americano Sam Querrey, y estas fueron las reacciones ante la victoria.
Struggled in the start, but just battled hard and kind of got a little more patient, and then served really well in the third set, which helped me. Really special. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. I really hope I can win and hold both of the Mexican trophies.
Así que ya saben, tenemos ya a los jugadores que estarán en esta gran final del Torneo Los Cabos 2017. Veremos si Sam Querrey o Thanasi Kokkinakis se llevan este trofeo. Soy Mariana Zacarías y estén muy pendientes a través de Medio Tiempo.